Okay, Macy, it is your turn to be a movie star. And we think she is a movie star. This is little Macy. She is about 6 pounds, so she's a tiny little peanut, and we think she's about a year old. And she's got the most beautiful coloring. She's like almost like a Snickers bar. She's black and white, and she has some brown little eyebrows, and she's a scruffy, cute little tiny terrier. Very, very submissive. You can go ahead and put her down, Kelbs. She is very submissive and is the type of dog that gets really excited to see you when you walk in the room, and then when you go to pick her up, she rolls on her belly or she does that little duck walk. I know. Hi there, sweetheart. She gets along with everybody in her group, and she's truly been just a joy to have here. No trouble at all with her. She's crate trained and just loves her people. I think she would be fabulous in just about any family setting. No behavior issues with other dogs, loves all people, no food issues. So really all she needs is a family of her own that's just gonna love her. She doesn't like this rescue, I'm sure, because it's very chaotic here. Lots of dogs. She's one of those that I think once she gets into a quieter home, she's gonna be much happier. Are you a good girl? She's a little scared of this camera. So if you are interested in this 6 pounds of sugar right here, you can apply for Miss Macy online at www.tracysdogs.com.